In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a second floor in SketchUp. So the first thing you want to do is grab this tool, bottom, and press the move. Press Option. This will allow you to put on a second floor. So you want to copy and paste this and put the exact same one on the and here we can grab the offset tool and pull that into where we want our wall. After we've done that, select this tool and that will create our second floor. So we can things in there, create walls, add stairs, etc., windows, doors. So yeah, I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.